Oh my gosh. No way. Yo, what's up, Harry Styles? How's the tour been going?
I need to ask a favor.
Okay, I didn't actually FaceTime Harry Styles,
Bruh.
but I was listening to a Harry Styles song when a friend DM'd me saying,
Yo, Rice University is hosting their first ever Designathon this weekend, and you should totally pull up.
and I was like,
I can hardly do one pull-up,
Bruh.
but bet I'ma pull up virtually.
anyways, I got my friend Olivia to register with me as a team, and then fast forward to the opening ceremony, the Rice Designathon organizers revealed the 2 tracks that teams can choose to focus their project on: fintech or health and lifestyle. We started with brainstorming ideas for our app. We knew right off the bat that we wanted our target audience to be fellow college students. But after bouncing ideas back and forth, nothing really clicked. Then we decided, okay, why don't we just hit up our target audience and understand what their pain points, aka sister struggles, are. We got 2 college students on user research interview calls, and we found out that they juggle a lot of priorities, causing them to feel overwhelmed and stressed. And they tend to deal with this by listening to music to de-stress and get their work done. So after this, my teammate and I were finally set on the sister STEMinist route, aka the health and lifestyle track, for an idea that interconnects music and mood. Before solidifying the idea, we created a survey to better understand the role that music plays in the lives of college students. We promoted this forum on our social media platforms, and by the next morning, 35 absolute legends we stan filled out the survey. So we got our stats, put on our thinking hats, and analyzed the stats. From there, we defined our problem statement. Then we solidified our app idea, Moody, which allows users to receive an AI-generated playlist based on their mood, current situation, and preferred genre. So let's say I'm feeling sister sad, sister sorrow, sister somber. I'm probably gonna get lots of Joji songs. But if I'm feeling like a meme lord, I might get some Filthy Frank songs. Then we used a whiteboard collaboration tool called FigJam to organize our ideas before prototyping the app. We also created a user journey map to establish the 5 steps that a college student named Rick Astley would go through in terms of our app. Starting from the moment that Rick Astley struggles with a pain point to the moment that Rick Astley realizes, yo, Moody is really, really dope, and I'm never gonna give it up, and it's never gonna let me down. Then we created a user stories prioritization chart where we mapped out in-scope features that we plan to implement from lowest priority to highest priority. Then we finalized a list of main screens that we'll be designing for the app and broke down the work evenly between each person. We started off by creating low-fidelity wireframes, aka the pre-yassification of our app. Essentially, it's just the general architecture of each screen without implementing any branding identity yet. Then we started to yassify and create some brand identity guidelines consisting of the colors, font properties, plugins, and icons. Then we wrapped up the yassification by creating high-fidelity wireframes where we used the brand identity guidelines to polish up the UI and add any extra details. From there, we used Figma's prototype feature to make the app more interactive and clickable. Then we finished the required design thinking document for the Designathon, which outlines our design thinking process, then scripted and filmed a video demo for our app, submitted everything on DevPost, sister celebrated, and then went to sleep. The next day, we found out the results at the closing ceremony, and though we didn't end up taking the dub, I'm still super proud of my team, really thankful to the organizers of the Rice Designathon. And before we wrap it up, here's a little montage of our final app prototype. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for 333 subscribers. Does this mean we're in the Illuminati or something? Anyways, if you made it this far, comment, let's go! Like, subscribe, and join the notification squad so you don't miss a thing. And peace. It's a watermelon sugar high, wake up feeling so fly, got nothing to lose with these scrumptious blues clues. Keep driving in the day like a kiwi on a satellite, sushi for my enzymes, a sign of the times. Yeah. Yeah. Like and subscribe.